Hello friends, my name is Kuldeep Chauhan. So as we all know that our today's topic is the global warming, about the global warming. So first of all, I would like to introduce you what is the global warming. Global warming is nothing but the increasement of temperature in our whole planet Earth. And why it is happening? It is happening because of some gases which are carbon monoxide and nitrous oxide, methane, and water vapor as well. So what we can do as an individual to reduce it, it's our topic. So I think we can do the usage of AC, which is producing much more temperature. We can reduce it. We can't totally ban it, but we can reduce it by using it by optimum use of it.
uh, we can take many steps individually to control the temperature of our planet, but as an individual there's a one step which is change your regular led bulb lights. You should use fluorescent bulbs instead of regular led bulbs, by which you can huh? Fluorescent bulb. I will tell you later after JD. By this, you can control 150 pound. You can save 150 pound of uh, carbon dioxide. Reduce the 150 pound of carbon dioxide. And second, use less vehicles. If you are go for a short distance, you are going to market. You are going to anywhere for a short distance. You should not use motor vehicles. You can go by bicycle. You can go by with your by foot, and use less vehicles, by which you can reduce the gases which are generated from the motor vehicles. And we can take an example of Japan and China in this field, because Japan and China stops that one and two person can't use a car or a bike. They have to go in a public bus. They can't use their personal vehicles for just two or three family members. So
I also add some points like s- uh, reduce food waste. Like we how much we need, just make a list and have it. Don't have too much. And also uh, we can buy only seasonal food like vegetables and fruits. Support our local farmers and have only a seasonal foods. uh, we should avoid the out seasonal foods like fruits and vegetables. So good morning, guys. My name is Sakshi Yadav, and we are here to discuss to reduce the temperature. So, as we all know, that planting trees is the most commonly factor to reduce the temperature. But you have to know that only 34% carbon is absorbed by the leaves of the trees, and what about the rest of the carbon? So we should not use the refrigerator, as you would got to know about that. The gas which is used in the refrigerator consumes the no, reduce the most of the carbon. So we should use the like pots if we want to drink water, and we can preserve food. Like we want to preserve the food to take it for the next day, so we can do that. Like we have to, like we have consumed for this much food, so we should plan for the tomorrow, that what we would like to have. And plan the global warming is increasing due to the infrastructure, like construction of infrastructure. And so we can also use the solar panels and rooftop for reducing the temperature.
Hello everyone. In my opinion, global warming is due to the pollution. As we know about, like the gases, methane gases, and all the things are the considered to be the global warming conditions. But the pollution is most, as we use plastics and we threw it. As we talking about in the ocean, there is a plastic more than the land we have. So these plastics, when having a heat, then it reduce the different type of gases which is causing warming. Global warming. It's the topic, na global warming. Yes. And then if we are talking about the corona time period, where the lockdown in all the world, that's time the healing of the ozone layer is too much high, and global warming reduced because at that time period, reduce of using motorbikes and many of the things like using plastics and things. But if we are talking about using refrigerator and using AC is help to reduce the global warming, it is not considerable. If we have a lot of heat today, then we use these things. We cannot reduce these things to be used. Now the temperature is 50 degree, then you cannot sit without AC, and now the temperature is 45. You cannot drink that only the pot water, you have to be the refrigerator water to be drink. So using less plastic is the beneficial for stopping global warming.
As you said that we have to drink cold water from the refrigerator, so you should know that the gas which is used in refrigerator depleting the ozone layer, which is very effective for the environment, like ozone O3 is and when the layer is depleted, the O2 is reduced in another way, and is a simple O is very harmful for environment because it can't be combined to the O2, where it will be combined, it will make the O3. So the depleting of ozone layer is very harmful for our environment. We should make a habit to drink the water from the bottles or drink the cold water. We should make our body to drink that water. We should not only use the refrigerator water.
As you are talking about the gas of the uh, it is not like that. As you talking about that refrigerator gas, it is not most important gas to affect the global warming. The methane is the gas which affect most global warming, and methane is not used in refrigerator. CFC is used. हाँ तो मीथेन नहीं है ना.
CFC की बात कर रहा हूँ. Okay, hello everyone. Myself Shrikant Sakya, and today, what's the topic is how we are, what's small steps so that we reduce the temperature. So I wanna say, first of all, use a reflective surface. Reflective paints in your home, like so many people's in their homes use paint. So if you want to reduce the temperature in your home and wanna cool feel cool, you have to paint the roof with a white paint, because white paint is a best reflecting surface, and it whenever the sunlight directly incident on the roofs, it immediately go in the environment. So due to this, we can also feel cool. And there is a technique I saw on YouTube about the Dubai. The Dubai made a new technique in which they stand the pillars on the roadsides, and the water running on the pillars, and it spread droplets in the form of sprinkles. So people who used to go get go to walk on the roadsides, they feel very cool. So it is very good technique, and we should also introduce this technique in our India. And apart from this, I mean, I agree with your point that we should reduce the use of refrigerators or vehicles, but it's not possible. It is if we want to complete this, want to finish this systems completely, we have to start first. Like everyone says, reduce the use of refrigerator. It's not possible, because at every home there is it becomes a compulsory to have a refrigerator if you want to if you want to drink a cold water. So it's not a small steps. It's not a small steps. And the other thing is that I was about to say one, now I forgot. So let's.
So, good morning, everyone. My name is Shushant, and we all are discussing about the reasons. So, I would like to mention something, how this increasing temperature not only affecting our environment but also affecting our India's GDP. How it's affecting, like in this increasing temperature, most of the people avoid to go out for work, and most of the people are those who install their carts on streets, and the increasing temperature will force them to not to come here. That's why by 2030, the India's GDP will decrease from 2.5 to 4.5% because of this increasing temperature.
What is the relationship between the GDP and temperature?
Bro, if you listen me carefully, then you must know what I'm saying before interrupting.
I do not understand your point. Make him understand. Now, make me understand.
Okay. Would you like to go for work in this temperature?
If I have a car,
No, no. See,
he's talking about.
I'm talking about street workers who are selling vegetable on streets. Would you sit there?
But it's not.
Would you sit there? Would you sit there?
It's not time to go.
What I'm asking, would you sit there? Then, then keep your mouth shut. So most of the people are avoiding this thing because they don't wanna to go out because they also have family. If they will get sick, then who will take care of their family? Then this not only workers, most of the people who are working in private limited companies, they also avoiding that thing. So that's why it's affecting our GDP. And the other thing that you wanna and the other thing is that the reason of this increasing temperature that is glass buildings in our India. We Indians have a very good tendency to learn things from our neighbor countries or from other countries, but our specialty is that we all almost learn negative things. In New York, most of the infrastructure are constructed from glass buildings, and same thing we applied in India. In Mumbai, most of the buildings are constructed with glass. They think a glass building look better; it give a good looks to our state. But actually, what happens? It reflect the light, create two suns, and increase the temperature. So we can replace that glass building with RCC buildings. Yes. So anyone wants to say?
Jain everyone. So I think okay. Jain everyone. So I think is there any need so that I should contribute to fight against the climate change as much as temperature is increasing? Why should I do that? Because the cause is industrialization. Is it truth? It's not right at all. Because as per recent survey, it is that was conducted by in California University. In major countries, each citizen emits 10 to 15 ton carbon emit each year. So it's our responsibility also to fight against climate change. So I think there are 6 areas in which we can do work to reduce the temperature. First is energy use. We can use indecent bulbs, LEDs, and we can reduce the timing of electronic device. We can shut off them when there is no use of them. Second is the infrastructure. When we make home, what we do that we cover entire ground with the concrete. So uh, it's radiation, it increase in our environment, so it increase the temperature. And what is the third thing? It's a choice of food. I would like to share with you that the red meat and dairy milk products has a contribution of 10% in increasing temperature. So we need to move towards the vegetarian diet. It can help also. And the fourth is the transport. We can use walking, cycling, and public transport. And the fifth is the sixth is the public awareness. We can talk to our friend and family. We can make them understand about the importance of our nature, of our environment. When they would be understandable about what's happening in our environment, I hope they would work and they would desirable make themselves to work and take action against what's happening in our nature. Thank you.
I wanna add some point also. There is a point that we should reduce the use of extra packaging products, by which because we can't recycle a plastic, and this is also a reason of a global warming. We if we reduce, I will tell you that there is 1200 tons, 1200 pounds plastic can't be is not reduced in the world every year. So this is a very big reason of global warming. That so now we should reduce the use of plastic and extra packaging products. And the another thing is, as sir said, we should not use electricity if we don't need. Then switch off the fans. If you go outside, switch off the bulbs and not use so much waste electricity so much.
Like guys, you are everyone saying that we should do this, we should do this, and this is not easy task to do. Like you are saying that make neighbors or make friends to understand that not to use the vehicles. Like would you able to make them understand? So in my opinion, we should ask government to take a strict action. Like no one, we if we ask someone that please sit here, he will not do this. And if we ask it please sit here, you will be fine. If you not sit there, he will sit. Like so we should make strict action. Like we should make the fine to pay. Like we only say is that save water and whatever they plant trees. So there should be a strict rule, like planting a tree would be beneficial, and if a house is not planting a tree, they would be at the fine, they will have to pay the fine. So it will be a good task.
As my friend says, they are all right. But nowadays, what will be happen in the world? There's 156 countries in the world which are talking about the environmental problems. If we are talking about India, the election was only based on the works like Hindu, Muslim, and different type of casteism. But in the world, other countries, the parties were made on the basis of their work on environment basis. Like in Iceland and Denmark, the parties which was selected by, they told about the peoples that we are doing for saving our environment these things and these things. Now 156 countries, what they were talking about, they are talking about that carbon produced by that country is have those countries produce more carbon, have to sell their carbons to the other countries. It is happening the world's right. Like India is also purchasing carbon from other countries. It is also boost their GDPs and also help the other countries to reduce their carbon. As we are talking about global warming for the political times, that politicians or parties should be started their like Nukkad Natak programs and their schemes to stop global warming. And if we are talking about in schools, teachers or the school should be also starting the programs to do these things. A teacher should told the student what should you have to do for stopping global warming and other things. And if we are talking about the what the parents should have to help the students to do, as parents told the student that you should carry the water bottle from your home to drink a water, not to buy on the roads or pouches. As we know about in India, there is water bottles plastic is more than the other plastics. And if we instead using water bottle plastics, we can use their own water bottles which we can carry by at home. And if we are talking about, most of the people are saying plastic bottles is good or not. So plastic water bottles is not good. Instead of this, we can use copper water bottles or steel water bottles and bamboo water bottles, which is used in China.
I would like to add also some other point that we need to change our source of energy. We need to move towards the solar energy as much as we can do, because it would also decrease, it would also reduce the carbon emission, and it would store, in which we can sell it for the other works. So it will reduce the fuel energy that creates a lot of carbon emission.
Some regions of global warming in increasing ozone layer is depleting in summer is hot main region, and climate is disturbed not proper water cycle process, and climate rain is some percentage in earth, and ozone layer repair in thunderstone, and thunderstone is some properties give, and second reason is population is increasing, so deforestation is a large amount, and uses of car increasing, increase noise pollution and air pollution, and third reason is industries pollute air release in environment, so atmosphere is pollute, and some solution is some solution in global warming stop. First, solar panel, smart work in sun, electricity make and uses in electric bike, electric vehicles and electric vehicle and fossil fuel reserve and demand in future. Thank you.
My perspective is we are know that this time is population is very increased, and that time build a road and highways, they expand the heat because the sunlight is a focus in the road and they expand the heat. And we know that use in a electric vehicle, but you that touch the electric vehicle motor, they also heat our the car like that. And I have a electric vehicle, and I go outside in 1 hour and 2 hour. I touch my motor, yeah, I touch my battery. Activa, they have also heat very much, and it's like a Activa petrol. And the mainly cases is a fast food. We are know that night time all families are some people they have eat momos, and mainly cases they expand the heat. And we know that fast food is a mainly cases because the gas is increasing, and the chimney, and they also increase our heat. It is a main case.
We can also reuse the products, like we should carry the bags and water bottles. Like if we all know that if someone go anywhere for some work and anything, they if they want to buy something and purchase something, they just purchase the new bags, poly bags and like this. But if we should carry the bags in our bags and with us, so we can easily buy we can easily carry the product at home without using plastic and like this thing. And so also we can reduce the paper like we can switch to can use a digital bills instead of paper bills.
One more activity we can do is we should use paper bags instead of poly bags. Like in Himachal Pradesh, for 2 3 years I reside there, and I saw that no shopkeeper will give you the plastic bags. They all will give you the poly bags. If you are talk about to buy the sugar, they will put the sugar in the paper bag and packed it and give it to you. They will no one will give you the paper. And everyone eats the golgappa, like so there are the steel plates and not the paper bags, which reduces the garbage. And yeah, like steel bowls instead of paper bowls
And
in Himachal Pradesh.
They use leaf pouch.
leaf bowls, yeah.
Actually, they use steel bowls. I said there.
As my all friends already have discussed about a lot of points, but what the global warming is, as we all know that net average increase of the temperature of earth just because of some greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, some of my friends said, and one more thing is nitrous oxide. So the major concern of global warming or a greenhouse effect is carbon, emission of carbon, as my all friends have discussed that. Every day 40 million ton carbon dioxide released by humans, 40 million ton, and 20 million tons are absorbed by plants and oceans, but 20 million ton carbon dioxide is in the atmosphere every day, and it is getting increased day by day. And the major concern is the plastic, as my all friends have discussed that use of plastic, we should not use of plastic. And by using plastic, for listen, for 1 unit, yeah, for 1 kg plastic formation, 3.5 kg around carbon dioxide is released. For each kg of plastic formation, about 3 to 5 kg of carbon dioxide release. So this is the main reason that why carbon dioxide is increasing and why it is. Now, what is the role of carbon dioxide? As we all have studied earlier that carbon dioxide is a great absorbent of heat. It absorbs heat, but it neither allow it to permit anywhere. So this is the main reason that Earth's temperature is getting high. Now plastics. So what is the solution of plastics? We all have discussed, we should use the carry bags. We should always have carry bags, and instead of using plastics we should go for paper bags, like that kind of things. And one more thing, as an individual, I am an individual, and what what can I contribute to my country, to an environment, is that I can use a bicycle, because bicycle is a best source of carbon reduction. So using bicycle for a student, I think it should be a moral duty of an each and every individual or a student, that I will use the cycle in order to reduce the global warming. Another thing is, instead of using or personal transportation, we should use mass transportation. Suppose in a family there are 4 members, and they are going outside with their own vehicles, like as my friend said, they are going with their own vehicles. But if they use the mass transportation like electric vehicles, so they will have a more productive way, because they will a single bus will emit less amount of carbon dioxide. And so this is the main reason.
Have you seen the conditions of electric vehicles and the mass transportation in India?
Yeah, I have
They
seen
are
it.
vast,
Yeah,
usable.
yeah.
We cannot use them to go anywhere. If we are talking about government buses, look their conditions. If you are entering in it, you are just vomiting by seeing them. That's why people using their
Yeah.
own vehicles rather than the government buses.
Yeah, okay. That means you are telling about the situation. So who create the situations? You can see a general train, you can see the condition of it, and you can also see the condition of Vande Bharat. Why it is so updated? Because we are the pupils.
Bharat is just coming, that's why they are looking like
Listen, buddy.
they have the 10 years.
One technique is tire friction alternator. It is a device which can be fit on a bike or on a bicycle. When a shaft of the bicycle move, it will create a friction, and just because of that friction, it will create mechanical energy, opposing mechanical energy. And just opposing mechanical energy, we can connect a motor in order to convert it to the electrical energy. So by using this electrical energy, we can produce 3 to 5 watt of current, and that is enough for the headlights of bike. And we can also use, as a student, suppose a student is going to a coaching, then he can use this alternator. He will consume energy, and this energy he can use as a table lamp for studying. So it will be a better option as an individual to perform this. Thank you. I would like my friend to join this.
So let's come to the topic. Hey there, this is Prajwal Pathak, and we all know that Earth is a balanced planet in whole solar system. It is balanced. Everything goes naturally, and everything goes over time in a right manner, and it seems good. But if something exceeds its limit, the Mother Earth will show its effect. So likewise here also, as we know that Earth's temperature changes. It is a natural process, changes over time by its. But as far as I'm concerned, the thing is that as we all discussed, the man-made activities which are exceeding, because for the sake of development, for the sake of infrastructure, we are thoroughly doing these activities. And what is the effect on the temperature? Irregular increase or abrupt increase of temperature we are seeing. And one more thing that he mentioned, that deforestation. Yeah, he said right that deforestation is also a major cause, because due to deforestation, there is less availability of trees to absorb CO2, and hence more the CO2 in the atmosphere, then more the sun's rays to get trapped in the atmosphere, and which also causes the greenhouse gases and global warming, depletion of ozone layer, and the sun's coming directly on the surface, causing many problems related to cancers also. That things also increases the temperature. And yeah, population also mentioned in the one point, that due to more population, more will be a vehicle, more will be the gases. So instead of we also use that, you mentioned that we also use vehicles for short distances. We should stop that thing, and we should go by ourselves. It will also helpful in it will be also beneficial to our body also. And instead of using that vehicles, we should use electric vehicles that are nowadays running on the roads. It is a good initiative to reduce the gases. And like he also mentioned the colors things, that we should not use black polished things, it absorbs the heat more. So that is a also a thing. And we also, and talking about foods like street foods, and that thing also require more oils, which emits more gases. And in homes also, instead of refrigerators, we should not consume that water, refrigerated thanda water. We should use earthen pots. It is also beneficial for health. We should it is a good alternative to reduce those things. And yeah, that's it from me.
I objection this point. Polybag is most important, more demand and basic need of all people. And polybag, liquid product fill in polybag. Buy liquid product fill in polybag, and more demand. Only solution is polybag. Paper mixing on polybag create new bag so easily decompose in environment.
Yeah, actually,
You can pack it in a steel bowl.
I think listen, guys, don't make it fish market. I think you haven't heard his point. He said that is. I think you said that he said that it is very necessary for an individual to carry a poly bag. Listen, guys. He said that it is very necessary for an individual to use poly bags because to keep the liquid. He was saying, but my friend has mentioned earlier that we can use copper containers, and we all know the advantages of copper containers. Listen, guys.
Amount we can
Okay.
We can also carry our.
We can.
Our bowl.
Okay.
many things are regulated. For example, cold drink, filling copper water, on sets, with price in high.
I think for carrying liquid, container is the best choice for us instead of using polythene. So this is your invalid point. Sir, I think you should start. But they are creating.
Sir, I have a one point for the electric vehicles that all my friends say. We should use
Do you want a solution?
electric vehicles instead of
Yes, I have a choice.
Wait, I
What
can.
was the topic
latest
actually?
research of our IIT, it says that lithium batteries is not recyclable or reusable. So after 2036, lithium waste is most in India rather than the other countries. So reduce using electric vehicles. Use petrol and diesel vehicles.
So you can use electric vehicle with the lead storage battery.
Wait for 1 minute.
Old versions of cars.
They are.
Without mic, less voice will be there.
And use the old versions of cars, bikes, because all the old versions of cars, bikes, they produce more.
मैं बोल ही देता हूँ.
मैं एक बात बोल के फिर लिस्ट तुम्हें दे रहा हूँ. You will.
Try to avoid the old versions.
ठीक है, conclusion पे.
No, he will conclude actually. Actually, I was saying that none of them have discussed the ideas. Few of them already have discussed the ideas. Others are just repeating their points. So I would like my friend to conclude the. Please give the solution. Valid solution.
So we have talked about many ideas that can we take actions to fight the increasing temperature. But and I would like to conclude with one line that its planet is our. We call it motherland. It's our responsibility to take care of that. Our nature gave a lot of things we can never contribute as per this level, but it's our responsibility to take care of our land and for our future generation. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.